Hi, this is a challenge for the custom product search in Salesforce. So I'll directly jump into that product demo. I have created one button in that line item related list called search product as per the requirement. So as soon as you click on this search product, you will jump to that initial page where you can see this as per it's coming. This country, region, and business unit is coming from that user object. The current user logged in. As of now, I don't have anything. That's why it's nothing is coming. So there are three, but I've given three buttons: go, clear, and cancel. Go means it will initiate the search. Clear is it will clear the search results. Cancel will you take you back to the opportunity record. So now I will insert some record in the user so that I will get the details. So I'll give the region called EMEA, uh, and country I'll give the United States, and I'll business unit I'll give BUA. Now I click on save. So once I have the data, if I click on search product, so you can see that this United States EMA and BUA is coming. So now what I will do, I will make this as blank. This means as per if country or region is blank, it will show all that products as per the requirement. So if I click on search, it will show me that the product lists. So and the pagination is giving as per the fast, last, and next, and this will come as this. And I have used data table so that it can be filtered like here as well. So so it is pretty fast in nature. So I am giving that whatever the columns is coming from, and you can see this there is one option called now showing, which is defaulted to all. The other options are product I follow and recent items. So I'll come one by one. First I will show you that. So if I select any items over here, so what will happen, see, as soon as I select this, you can see this automatically this review panel is coming. And as well as see, I have given some hovering information. So as soon as you put your mouse in the product, you will see that mini page layout of the product. And so I have created one custom field on the product so that you can go to that, you can provide any external link, and clicking on which you can go to some other external system as well. So as I have selected three products, I can see, you can see that there are three different review panel is coming. It is also if I click on this, it will also go to the product detail page. You can see this is the product detail page is going. So I will just now remove one item. You can see it's automatically get deselected. So if I remove that a installation industrial high, so you can see that it is already automatically get removed. So if I add in it again, it will automatically come. So if I remove everything, so you can see it will automatically gone. So again I will take SLS silver and these two. So I click on next step. So I can see that opportunity line item is coming. I have created that taken the standard Salesforce style, so make the field required. Like this is just a style. It's not required in the page layout, or the required equal to true is used. This is just a style on these fields. As the quantity is a required field, so I have used input text to get the quantity, and it internally it's get mapped to that quantity of the line item. So if I try to click on save right now, so you can see that please select at least one line item. This is coming from custom label as per the requirement, and you can see that this placeholders is also coming from that custom label. This one is also coming from custom label, and all these options are coming from one custom setting. So now if I this select this and I click on try to save, so you can see required field is missing, red mark fields are required. So whatever the fields are red marked, these are the required fields. So I will give the quantity equal to 500. I will give the sales price equal to 2000. I will give the start date, and I will give the end date like of 2nd of next month. So I'll give some description called test, and so if I click on save right now, so you can see this two product is getting inserted, and description is test is coming here. So this is all about the requirement. So now I will come how I achieved it. I'll show other things as well. I click on go. I'll get these three products because of United States and EMA. Because you can see for these states, it's state this is view A, and for this country is United States, and for this also is a business uses BUA. So I have used OR for getting or for to get all the conditions like this, whatever the OR I'm getting, it's this these or product name or product group or product family or product family. So you can see the type ad is also given here. So as soon as you type, you will get all the options, as well as here as well type ad is given. So you can select it from here as well. Um, and in now showing, you can see that recent items is given, so you can see that two products are coming right now. So now what I will do, I will make it blank and click on go. So now I will visit this product with SLA bronze. So now if I go to the recent items, we can see SLA bronze is coming. So how I achieved it, I have overridden the view button of the product, and as soon as anyone is viewing that, I am inserting one record in a custom object, and if the record is already exist, I am updating the record only. So this is how I configured that recent item, because recent items is internal to Salesforce, and for product 2, the getting the recent items from recent item object, as well as for that metadata API call is not allowed. So I have to take this approach to get the recent items. I have created on custom objects and storing the records. I will show you during the code walkthrough. So if I click on that product I follow, now I don't have anything subscribed, so it is coming as no record found. So if I click on all, so it will give me that whatever the result is coming earlier, it will show me again. So with all the input details. So um, now I'll go to that code review right now, uh, and I have created uh, one custom setting to get this, and all the things whatever you can see the labels are coming, it's all is coming from one all the custom labels are defined, each and everything button name, these labels, whatever the labels and everything is defined in custom label as per the requirement. So now I'll do the code review. So this is the extension. I have used the standard controller opportunity, so that I can click on cancel. I can use the standard cancel action of that opportunity. So to go back to that opportunity page. So this is product search page. The standard controller is opportunity, and this is extension, and sidebar equal to false. I have used doc type HTML 5.0 so to show the placeholders, because it's allow me to do some HTML placeholders. So I am first getting the current opportunity, and I'm getting the price book to ID, and then I'm getting the user details here, and then I'm getting that price book entry map. This is required to get it the line item inserted, because price book entity ID is a required field in opportunity line item. So this is the getting option of the product families. I have written one utility method, this one, to get the pick list values from the product. And this is show me options I have used on custom setting on in which I have stored all recently viewed and product I follow, so that it will come automatically from the custom setting. um, and I'm sorting it so that it will show that all by default. See, using this control method, I am calling one search methods and populating the recent items. So this populate result table is an one method which is getting called from three different wherever I am showing the recent items or product I follow, or it's a general search. So from the search product is getting called when you click on go button. So here I am building that dynamic SQL. If the country or a product user country and a region is null, then I am so to search product. So if the current is the country equal to null and the region equal to null, then I am showing getting all the products. Otherwise, I am querying, preparing to check what are the inputs passed, and then I am building that dynamic SQL. Uh, Here I am building. So I have used that escape single quote because sometimes name may contains and that single quote, so that it will create a problem building the dynamic SQL, and it will stop the SQL injection as well. So so I have used the escape single quotes during that passing the dynamic SQL. After the SQL is done, I am calling one common method to generate the table. It will create I have created two inner classes to get the output. This is the product wrapper and that is the opportunity line item wrapper. So this is opportunity. This is why product wrapper, because I have to truncate the description value up to 200 character. That's why I use this wrapper class. And this opportunity line item wrapper will use the is selected and the quantity, because until and unless you are selecting on the line item, you are not allowed to save it. That means you are not want to save that record, and the quantity, so that I can make it not required, because if I am using that apex input field for the opportunity line item, so if I use that quantity directly, it will make required automatically. So uh, so whatever the line item you have to select it, you have to give that quantity value, otherwise it won't allow you to submit the form. So I have to use this field. And this is the save line item. So you can see if it is insertion is successful, I am going back to opportunity ID, and you can see that all the error message is coming from one custom all the custom labels. So this reset page is used when you want to clear the search result, like if you click on clear, so you can see all the page is getting reset. This reset page is there, and this is the remote action is used to get the type add values from that given object. And now I will go to that product view page. This I have overridden the product to using this this page. This is nothing, just the on action method. On action I have calling one method of the class. So if I go to the class, so I can see that so you can see that I am getting that controller record, and what I am doing, I am just updating the recent calling this method. I'm trying to get the record. If the record is exist, so I am just upserting that record. Otherwise I am creating one record and inserting one record. So if the record is insertion is successful or unsuccessful, I am reverting redirecting the user to that product detail page again, and I am set this to one, so that the looping is it does not loop when viewing on product. So this is, and and I'm inserting this record object in product recent view, and it contains one user. It's a lookup on user C and product C. So product. So I'm inserting the record, and as well as I have created some created one uh, field in product so that I can store that external link. So if you want fields, so you can see that I have created one URL field so that you can add external URLs here, and I have created custom fields as per the requirements. And if I go to that objects table, create objects, so you can see I have created country object as per the requirement. I have created product country object. I have product recent view to store the recent view of the product region and region as per the requirements. Um, so now we'll try to search with this one, um, gen. I'll give one this, and I'll give this. So if I click on go, so you can see it's as it is, or it is coming from EMEA and BUA. Country is null, so it is coming showing all the records. So but the special thing is that the single quote is escaped here. So